What does AI stands for in computer science? A. Artificial intelligence. B. Augmented intelligence. C. Automated intelligence. D. Adaptive intelligence. The correct answer is A. Artificial intelligence. Which search algorithm uses a stack data structure? A. BFS. B. A*, C. DFS. D. Uniform cost search. The correct answer is C. DFS. What is the main characteristics of a heuristic function in informed search? A. Estimated cost to goal. B. Random guess. C. Always exact cost. D. Memory usage. The correct answer is estimate cost to goal A. Which search algorithm is guaranteed to find the shortest path in an underweighted graph? A. DFS. B. Depth limited search. C. Iterative depending. D. BFS. The correct answer is D. BFS. What does the A* search algorithm uses to evaluate nodes? The correct answer is C. Which algorithm is used for decision making in two-player games? A. BFS. B. Minimax. C. A*, D. Hill climbing. The correct answer is B. Minimax. What is the primary goal of an intelligent agent? A. Reduce complexity. B. Increase speed. C. Maximize performance measure. D. Minimize memory. The correct answer is C. Maximize performance measure. Which type of agent chooses actions based slowly on current precept? A. Simple reflex agent. B. Utility based agent. C. Goal based agent. D. Model based agent. The correct answer is A. Simple reflex agent. What does PEAS stands for in agent decision? A. Performance, environment, actuators, sensors. B. Percept, environment, actions, states. C. Policy, evaluation, action, system. D. Planning, execution, actuation, sensing. The correct answer is A. Performance, environment, actuators, and sensors. Which search strategy is also called blind search? A. Local search. B. Uniformed search. C. Informed search. D. Heuristic search. The correct answer is B. Uniformed search. What is the space complexity of BFS with branching factor B and depth D? The correct answer is C. Which algorithm is used for optimization and moves in the direction of increasing value? A. BFS. B. Minimax. C. Hill climbing. D. A*. The correct answer is C. Hill climbing. What is the purpose of alpha-beta pruning? A. Add more nodes. B. Increase search depth. C. Randomize search. D. Prune nodes that don't affect final decision. The correct answer is D. Prune nodes that don't affect final decision. Which of the following is an example of an adversarial search? A. Compression. B. sorting, C. game playing, D. data mining. The correct answer is C. game playing. What is the main limitations of DFS? A. always find shortest path. B. uses too much memory. C. cannot handle cycles. D. may go to infinite depths. The correct answer is D. may go to infinite depths. Which type of agent maintenance an internal state of handle partial observability? A. simple reflex. B. model based reflex. C. goal based. D. utility based. The correct answer is B. model based reflex. What is a rational agent? A. acts randomly. B. acts to achieve best expected outcome. C. acts without perception. D. acts only on roles. The correct answer is acts to achieve best expected outcome. B. Which search algorithm combines BFS and DFS advantages? A. IDA. B. iterative deepening. DFS. C. asterisk. D. bidirectional search. The correct answer is B. iterative deepening DFS. What is the role of the critic in a learning agent? A. take actions. B. evaluate performance. C. store knowledge. D. generate problems. The correct answer is B. evaluate performance. Which of the following is an uniformed search strategy? A. uniform cost search. B. hill climbing. C. greedy best first. D. asterisks. The correct answer is A. uniform cost search.